Charming Pet Guru. Why do cats bite? Welcome back to Charming Pet Guru. Today, we're diving into a common feline mystery. Why do cats bite? Cats are amazing pets. They can be affectionate, playful, and full of personality. But sometimes, their bites can catch us off guard. Let's explore why cats might bite and what you can do about it. 1. Love bites. Cats often show their love with gentle nibbles and love bites. This is their way of showing affection and might also include pawing or kneading. Love bites are usually soft and not meant to hurt. Sometimes, cats use love bites to tell you they want something, like food or attention. 2. Fear and anxiety. When cats feel scared or threatened, they might bite to defend themselves. Look for signs like meowing, hissing, crouching, big pupils, raised hair on their back or tail, and flattened ears. Noticing these signals can help you prevent biting by giving the cat some space and helping them feel less afraid. 3. Petting and biting. Sometimes, cats might bite while being petted. They can suddenly turn around and bite or scratch even if they seem to enjoy it at first. This happens because their strong survival instincts can make them feel conflicted. Watch for signs like stopping purring, stiffening, thrashing their tail, or hissing. If you see these signs, stop petting to avoid getting bitten. 4. Frustration. Cats use body language and sounds to communicate but can't talk like humans. If they feel like you're not understanding them, they might get frustrated and bite. For instance, if a cat wants attention and you don't notice them rubbing against you, they might nibble your hand to get your attention. 5. Inappropriate play. Young cats and kittens often play rough and might bite your hands or feet. If you let them do this when they're young, they might keep biting as adults, which can hurt. It's important not to use your fingers or feet as toys. Use interactive toys instead, which keep your hand away from the toy and encourage better play habits. 6. Social pressures. Cats are territorial. Bringing a new cat into their space without a proper introduction can make them aggressive, leading to biting and fighting. Redirected aggression happens when a cat sees another cat in its territory but can't reach the intruder. Instead, the cat may take out its aggression on its owner. 7. Illness or pain. If a cat suddenly starts acting differently, like biting, it might be because of illness or pain. Cats in pain can become less patient and more irritable. If you notice any change in your cat's behavior, especially if they're older, it's important to take them to a vet to check for any medical issues like arthritis or cognitive problems. What to do when your cat bites. If your cat bites you, stop what you're doing and try to figure out why. Watch their body language and check the surroundings. If you can make changes to help your cat relax, like closing the blinds or removing other pets, do that. Avoid touching your cat again until they calm down. If your cat bites during play, make a noise and pull your hand away, like another cat would do, to stop the game. This should distract them, not punish them. If your cat bites and doesn't let go, push your hand and arm toward the bite to make them release you. Pulling away might make them bite harder. If the biting keeps happening, visit your vet to discuss it. The vet might find a health issue that's causing the behavior. How to train a cat to stop biting you. Here are some tips to help train your cat to stop biting. Provide energy outlets. Use interactive toys, scratching posts, and play sessions to keep your cat engaged and satisfy their instincts, which can help reduce biting. Avoid rough play. Don't use your fingers or toes as toys, as this can encourage biting. Instead, use toys that keep your hands and feet away from your cat's teeth. Use positive reinforcement. Reward good behavior with treats or praise when your cat plays gently or doesn't bite. This encourages them to keep behaving well. Don't use punishment. Punishing your cat can make aggression worse and harm your relationship. Focus on redirecting their behavior and rewarding positive actions instead. If biting continues or becomes a serious problem, consider talking to a vet or animal behaviorist for personalized advice and solutions. How to treat a cat bite. If a cat bites you, take these steps right away. Clean the wound. Wash it thoroughly with mild soap and water. Apply antiseptic. Use an antiseptic solution to disinfect the area. Cover it up. Put a clean, sterile bandage on the wound. It's important to get medical help because cat bites can easily get infected. A healthcare professional will check how serious the bite is, give you antibiotics if needed, and give you instructions on how to care for the wound. Are cat bites dangerous? Cat bites can be risky for both animals and people because of the bacteria in a cat's mouth. They often cause more infections than bites from other animals. Cats' sharp teeth can push bacteria deep into the skin, which can lead to infections in the tissues underneath. If not treated, a cat bite can result in cellulitis, abscesses, or even serious infections throughout the body. Why does my cat grab my hand and bite me? There could be several reasons why a cat bites, like being scared, frustrated, playing too rough, or feeling aggressive. Looking at what happened before the bite might help you understand why it happened. If your cat is sick or in pain, make sure to schedule a vet appointment. Why do cats bite their owners gently? Cats might bite their owners lightly if they want attention or if they're playing too roughly. Don't encourage your cat to play with your fingers or toes, as this can lead to biting. Why do cats bite you when you pet them? The cat might bite out of fear if it's not used to being petted. It could also be because of a petting and biting syndrome, where the cat feels unsure between enjoying the petting and staying cautious. How do you discipline a cat for biting? Don't try to punish a cat for biting. They won't understand and it might make them more scared or aggressive. Instead, get advice from your vet and consider a pet behavior consultation.